The Valor 10 remote control offers two-way communication and haptic tactile button feedback to provide our best control system yet. In this video, we will be going over Eco Mode and information regarding battery replacements. Refer to these simple remote control instructions and keep them handy to enjoy your fireplace to the fullest. With Eco Mode, the height of your Valor's flame modulates between high and low. If the temperature of your room is lower than your fireplace's set temperature, the flame height will stay on high for a longer period of time. If your room temperature is higher than the set temperature, the flame height will stay on low for a longer period of time. One cycle lasts approximately 20 minutes. Press the flame button to turn Eco Mode on or off. The flame icon will appear or disappear to indicate Eco Mode function. Your remote display will indicate when the battery is low. The remote uses two AAA alkaline batteries, Duracell or Energizer. The batteries should last 1 to 2 seasons, depending on usage. Remove the battery in the off-season to extend the remote's life. Frequent beeps for 3 seconds when the motor turns indicate the batteries in the receiver need to be replaced. Replace with 4 1.5-volt AA alkaline batteries. Use these instructions to control your fireplace with ease and peace of mind using the new Valor 10 remote control and feel the warmth. That's the value of Valor.